This is my 2009 Fiat Doblo van, also known as the Royal Snail. It is an ex-Royal Mail van and it's served me well the past few years. However, there is a noise when braking from the back. I think it's the near side. Dad thinks it's the offside. Thankfully, the Royal Snail inspector is here with us to see what's going on. What do you reckon's wrong with it? Could be a spot on one of the drums, could be a stone or something more sinister. A full video coming to our YouTube channel soon, but let me know in the comments down below. What do you think is wrong with the Royal Snail? Any braking issues on these Fiat Doblos? I'd expect the drums to last the entire lifetime of the van. Could be something more sinister going on. We'll soon find out.